Hello again, welcome back. Today, reason 23 for polishing your shoes. Now, I spoke to you a couple of days ago about honesty. And I wonder if you understand the difference between truth and honesty. There is a truth in every part of everything that you do, see, or say. But whether or not you apply that truth, that's the difference between truth and honesty. Honesty is a personal quality. Truth is your perceived reality. Truth means different things to different people. But to me, truth, in this context of polishing shoes, it is true. If I stand here doing this time after time, they will become shiny. That's true. I've proved that to myself through experience, knowledge, understanding, and practice. Honesty, I can do it this way, or I could be dishonest about it. I could get some black paint, paint them, and varnish them, and they would look shiny and black, if that's all you want. But you wouldn't get any of the other things that I've mentioned if you did that. So look for truth in all the things that you do. Even something as mundane, as menial as a task like this could appear to be. There are truths, and they're different from the honesty that I talked about before. Reason 23, you are seeking truth. Thanks for watching. See me tomorrow. I'll give you reason 24. Bye bye.